The four men who were killed at a bar in the Summerfield district of Chapelton, Clarendon early Wednesday morning have been identified. According to the Major Investigations Division, they are 44-year-old Kish Brown, a shop operator off Line Road, Theo Manning, Varel Manning, and a man known only as Rasta or Tompa. Reports from the lawmen are that about 1:15 a.m., residents reportedly heard explosions and summoned the police. On arrival of the cops, two of the men were seen lying outside a cook shop with gunshot wounds. The other two were found inside the shop. The men were assisted to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the killings. Meanwhile, the police are asking anyone with information to make an anonymous report to Crime Stop at 311 or NIB tip line at 811 or call the nearest police station. Photograph of a man said to be known as Tita Pull, Tyrone, who was reportedly fatally shot earlier today by unknown assailants along Bay Farm Road. The St. Elizabeth Police is appealing to Patrice Fagan, otherwise called Nordia, a teacher of Burnt Ground District, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, to make contact with and report to the Black River Criminal Investigation Branch immediately. Fagan is reportedly a person of interest relative to the investigation being conducted into the death of Orlando Blake of Old District in the parish, which occurred approximately 2:15 a.m. on Sunday, October 1. According to the police, several efforts to communicate with Fagan after the incident have proven futile. Anyone knowing her whereabouts is being asked to contact the Black River CIB, the Police Emergency 119 number, or the nearest police station. The police are seeking a man identified as Devon Olness in relation to Monday's incident where the 60 student at Ocheres Primary School in St. Anne became sick after consuming cannabis-infused sweets. Olness is from Ocheres is being urged to turn himself in. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson told a Jamaica Constabulary Force press conference on Tuesday that investigators believe Olness can assist with their probe.